Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about 7th standard social science, term 3, civics, unit 3, road safety. The revolutionary invention of the wheel has given rise to modern technologies from transport to machinery. It is one of the most fundamental inventions we use in our daily life. Invention of wheel may be a mystery, but the history of vehicle prove the intelligence of man. Can you imagine a world without two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler? Let's see about road safety. We have a travel via roads almost every day to go to school, college, office, shops, visit relative and friends. We need to be safe on the roads. Road safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. The next topic, need for road safety on roads. It is a saddening fact that India is the world's largest contributor to road accidents. India accounts for about 10% of road accident fatalities worldwide. Road crashes have a threatening impact on Indian lives, growth and economy. So the next topic is causes for road accidents. The first cause is distracted driving. This is a larger threat and the leading cause for road accidents. It is the distraction of the driver engaging in any other activity while driving. It may be talking over the mobile phone or texting message or engaging in any activities with attention divert from driving. The second cause is reckless driving. It is a major traffic violence of rules. It is defined as the mental state in which the driver purposely disregard the rules of the road. The third cause is night driving. An extra alertness is needed while driving at night. The uncontrolled sleep, tiredness due to long drive, poor lighting on the road can cause us fatal accidents. The fourth cause is tailgating. Tailgating refers to a condition where a driver drives behind another vehicle without leaving sufficient distance between them. In this condition, if the vehicle in front of him stops suddenly, his own vehicle will crash with it. The fifth one, heavy traffic. Increase of vehicles on the road create heavy traffic jam and cause more pollution. The next one, road conditions. Road expansion is very slow when compared to the expansion of vehicles. The next one, avoidance of safety gears. Avoiding the use of helmets for two-wheelers and the seat belts for four-wheelers lead to unwanted happenings. Next one, impatience of pedestrians. Impatience of pedestrians and violence of traffic rules result in accidents. So other causes are drunken driving, jumping red light over speeding, and unmanned railway crossings causes great damage to valuable life. Due to this, many families lost their breadwinners. The next one, road safety rules. So every country has its own road safety rules and regulation for the best interest of its citizens. India also has designed road safety rules for protecting the road users from meeting with accidents and injury. As per the Indian law, one should be eligible to get a driving license at the age of 18, while driving use of mobile phone is prohibited. Sound horn is prohibited near a hostel or hospital or a school zone. The 10 golden rules for road safety are: stop or slow down, buckle up, obey traffic rules and signs, obey speed limits, keep vehicle fit, never use mobile while driving, wear helmet, never drive dangerously, be courteous, never mix drinking and driving. So, use standard helmets while driving two-wheeler vehicle and strap it before mounting the vehicle. Fasten the seat belt while driving a car for both the driver and co-passenger. Avoid carrying heavy load while riding a two-wheeler. Two-wheeler can carry one adult pillion rider and not the whole family. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead or yours. Slow down on bends and turns, especially in hill stations. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988, passed by the Parliament, came into force in 1989 and it is applicable to across the country. So, the next one, preventive measures. Government, through the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India has taken earnest steps for reducing the number of road accidents. The first one, taking steps for the rectification of accident, black spots and improvement of road engineering. Ensuring the good functioning of the traffic signal and road signs at busy crossing roads. Constructing proper roads both in urban and rural areas. Installation of CCTV cameras to record high speed offense which can detect the offenders. Prohibiting the act of digging or hoarding soil from roads. Remove encouragement and maintain proper pedestrian ways for ensuring road safety. If the people are violating the traffic rules, it is the duty of government to correct the public and maintain order. Straighten action are to be taken for the violation of any road safety rules. The next topic, individuals. One who drives a vehicle should have undergone the training and test of option a driving license. It is compulsory to have the following documents: driving license, registration certificate of the vehicle, insurance certificate, taxation certificates, fitness certificate and permit. Brake failure can result in crucial collisions, so the vehicle should be in good condition and serviced at regular intervals. To avoid accidents because of potholes and road humps, users can opt to use the Raksha Safe Drive device. It is attached with Velcro to the car and the alerts to driver about road humps, bad roads and the crossing the speed limit. Carpooling will reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Many people use one vehicle and so fuel, money and time are saved. It will pave way for a cordial relationship and better understanding among the fellow men. Parents and teachers play a vital role in imparting road safety education to young ones. If a child's parent violates the traffic rules, the child too will initiate the same in future. So the elders have to set an example for them in adhering to the safety rules and regulations. Video and computer games that simulate driving should be banned by the government or discouraged by parents, as it will develop racing habit in children. Help your children learn about the traffic signal and rules. Instruct them to wait for the right signal and to use the zebra crossing while crossing the roads. Warn them not to run across or along the road. Teach them to use the footpath while walking on the road. Provide road safety education since childhood. It has to be made a part of school curriculum, syllabus, textbook, and included in competition on the road safety. Activities like writing of slogans, essays, and paintings on this theme should be conducted for reinforcement. The next topic, media. Media like radio, TV, film, and advertisement would take up this responsibility of creating awareness of road safety. On Sachin Tendulkar's 45th birthday, Mumbai police has released his video to create awareness among the motorists. The little monster set great records wearing a helmet. How about simply following his footsteps? The next one, traffic signals. The traffic symbol. The traffic symbol acts as silent conductor of the traffic on the road. Some traffic signs are monetary like stop, speed limit, turn light, no left turn, etc. Some signs are cautionary, which warn the driver about the danger ahead, like steep ascent or descent, narrow bend. Some signs are informatory, providing information about hospital, petrol pump, resting place, parking or no parking area. Road Safety Week. This is a national event which aims at promoting public awareness about traffic rules and to reduce casualties due to road accidents. It is observed annually. It is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. A variety of programs related to road safety is conducted. Educational banners, safety posters, and packet guides related to road safety are distributed to the public. The Government of India observes Road Safety Week awareness during January every year. So, the road safety suggestions are: walking is a good alternative and cycling is a good exercise for a distance of 1 to 2 km. Use eco-friendly vehicle. Implement the idea of installing bollards near unmanned railway crossing, a separate unhindered passage for cyclists would hold many benefits and also reducing road crashes. Cycling is a healthy habit and reduce pollution. Motorcycle manufacturers should be asked to design two-wheelers with the designed maximum speed of 50 km per hour. An awareness program can be used by narrating live examples and also projecting videos. So, once again we recap the lesson. Road safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users and vehicle users from fatal accidents and injuries. Violence of road rulers and regulation cause road crashes and a threatening impact on a country's growth and economy. Traffic signs act as silent conductors of the traffic on the road. Mandatory sign, cautionary sign, and informatory signs are the three types of traffic sign. Every country celebrated Road Safety Week. We should strictly follow the rules and regulation, road safety and save our nation. So, children, we all follow the road safety rules. Thank you.